YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy ConcisetheBarber, and we are back with a concise review. In this review, we have an interesting clipper that we want to talk about. So yes, it's the Wahl Super Taper X. We're gonna talk about this, and you're gonna hear what I have to say about it. Let's get into the video.
CTB, you know who it is.
All right, so y'all just seen the unboxing. Y'all seen everything that comes with it. This concise review is not gonna take that much. It's not gonna take that long. Only reason why I say this is because it's not something that we have not seen before, but it is at the same time. So first thing is first, if you know anything about me, I like to talk about price. The price for this thing, it's $179.99. Yeah, it's up there. $180 for the Super Taper X. We've seen everything that it comes with. $180. Have to be honest. I don't know about that price. The only reason why I say that is because if you look at the gold magic clips, look at the black magic clips, and you see their prices. All right, so the power and battery life. Power, 6,500 RPMs, rotary motor. I had some good torque to it. Good torque. 100 minutes of a runtime, 60-minute charge time. Well, we gotta talk about this. I'm not saying it's a problem to come out with certain stuff that reminds us of like old schoolish. You know what I mean? I don't think that's a problem. But what I think is like can become a problem is that when things of like the runtime, okay, 6,500 RPMs, rotary motor. I think y'all could have did something different with this. I think y'all could have upgraded the internals just a little bit. Even if it was at 7,000 RPMs or 7,200, the runtime, I have to be honest, I didn't think the runtime would be at 100 minutes. I definitely thought it would have been around 2.5. 2.5 with the 60-minute charge time is not bad. Not bad. So for me, the Super Taper X coming at 180 and the power runtime is where it's at. The gold magic clips, black magic clips, I think the black ones could be around 6,700 RPMs. But here or there, to me, I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying to just make sure that everybody gets the healthy information about this. Packaging. Okay, so when it comes to the packaging, it's the basic necessities that every clipper needs to have, except for one thing for me. So yes, you get the clipper, you get guards, you get about 8 attachment combs, you get the OG Wahl comb, you get the cord, you get the charging cord and all of that, right? But it doesn't come with a charging dock. When it comes to the packaging, these two are basically the same. Basically the same packaging. On the website, these are $159.99. These are $179.99. These should be the same price. Easily. I definitely don't think it should be up. Well, let's talk about the design. The design. This part usually takes me some time, but it's gonna take me a minute. This is the magic clip body with a different blade. Basically, that's it. That's the design. No upgrades to the charging ports. It still has the hanging hook. It looks just like a magic clip. It's a magic clip body. I thought there was gonna be a little bit of a slimmer piece, but it's not. The lever is still the same. Everything's still the same, except the main thing I do want to talk about is this blade. So let's get into the blade. The stagger-tooth T-blade from Wahl. I will have to be honest. This blade is fire. I do like it. I liked a little bit of the difference that it has from the original I do like the shape of it. Now, the main thing that I have been told about this blade, that when you do zero gap this, a lot of people not only use it this way, but they also use it this way, looking like a trimmer blade. Some people say these are good for Edgar cuts and stuff like that, but nice, still gives you a nice crisp line without using a trimmer. Maybe if you ball it out that way, it might get closer. I'm not 100% sure on that, but this is some of the stuff I've been told. But I do like the shape of it. I do like how well it cuts. Nothing wrong with this blade at all. I do actually want to put this on something else. So I'm just going to be real with you. The blade is the thing about the Super Taper X. Hands down, it is a good blade. It didn't get hot on me. The sounds like a regular magic clip. I think it's just a blade swap. That's the main thing about this, right? Now, performance-wise, performs like a magic clip, but with a T-blade shape, right? Okay, cool. When it comes to my observation, if I was y'all, if y'all looking at this, if y'all like color blue, I like color blue. I mean, the only reason why I would get this is because of the color in the blade, right? But if I was you, I would probably tell you to hold off on this clipper and just wait for the T-blade. Wait until you can get this sold individually and try this bad boy out, because I have to be honest with you, it is a good blade. Wahl always does an amazing job with blades. I think it's more so body-wise and internals when it comes to this, that it's like nothing different. Maybe they, this is something they came out with, and maybe the next thing they come out with is like the real, next piece that we are looking for. But for me, if I was y'all, I would just wait to get the blade. Even though I could make some money on this, if y'all want to buy it, that's up to y'all. It's not even that for me. It's more so the blade is nice. You want to try a different blade from Wahl, with a nice shape, and see how well it performs. I will wait. As my concise review, is this something that's going to stay on my station? I mean, I do have the magic clips. I do have the Vapor blade on this. Okay, I do have this blade on it. So I do like this. Is it going to stay on my station? I'm not sure just yet. I'm gonna keep rocking with it, and I'll let y'all know about it probably within a month or so. But I can't say it's a must buy. The blade is a must buy, but buying this clipper for $179, $180, I can't say that's a must buy. I'm just being honest with you. If it comes with a charging dock and an extra blade, okay, I can see that. But I don't know, maybe the prices are going up due to other things that's going on economically. I'm not sure, but I will still wait. Just get the T-blade, rock that thing out. I'll put this on different clippers for y'all to, let y'all know how well it really performs and stuff like that, other than being on this at 6,500 RPMs. That's my concise review, man. And like I said, I love the dope color wave of it. I appreciate Wahl for sending it to me to really break it down and let y'all know what I really think about it. But if I was y'all, for real, I'll just wait for the blade. So I just wanted to, to give y'all a real honest review. It's well, see, I got a different motor in here, but it's basically the same magic clipper with just a different blade. So wait on the blade. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Be blessed.
CTB. You know who it is.